Hey everyone, and welcome back. So, in this video, we're going to look at how you can automatically translate your website pages using the Yandex Translation widget in AI translation for TranslatePress. Now, if you want a quick and free way to translate your website into multiple languages, well, this is probably one of the easiest options. You don't need an API key, and you don't have to go through any complicated setup. Alright, let's jump right into it. Firstly, just install and activate the AutoTP AI translation for TranslatePress and TranslatePress plugin. Next, before starting, make sure you have enabled the Yandex Translation provider from the plugin dashboard. Okay, now open the page or post that you want to translate. Here at the top of the page, you'll see the Translate Page button. Go ahead and click on it. This opens the live translation editor. Okay. The next step is to choose the language that you want to translate the page into. As soon as you select the target language, you'll notice that the Auto Translate button becomes available. So let's click on Auto Translate. A small pop-up will appear asking you to choose a translation provider. Here, simply select Yandex Translator. The translation will start automatically. Depending on how much content your page has, this might take just a few seconds. And once the translation is finished, click Merge Translation. This applies all the translated content to your page. Now, take a quick look through the translation. If you spot anything that you'd like to improve, no worries. You can edit the translated text manually right here in the editor. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Save Translation. And that's pretty much it. Your page has now been translated using the Yandex Translation widget. Now just keep one thing in mind. Automatic translations are really fast, but they're not always perfect. So if you're translating important business content, it's always worth giving the translation a quick review or having it checked by a professional translator. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.